when culture gets institutionalized due to the technological development or advancement, civilization comes out. When culture gets institutionalized due to technological development or advancement, civilization comes out. At many times, culture and civilizations, they are used as a synonyms. Sabhyata, Sanskriti, synonyms. But technically there is a bit difference. Culture is generally related to internal aspects. This is related to internal aspects. So internal aspects means food habit, living standard, food habit, attire. Civilization is associated with external aspects or facet. External aspects, that is civilization, and culture means internal aspects. And that's why at many times we say that Harappan civilization declined, but Harappan culture continued. Got the point? So external aspects means building, roads, these types of things. So civilization and culture, the basic difference is like this is the primitive or say initial stage, and when culture gets institutionalized in the passage of time due to technological development, then civilization comes out. Is it clear? So therefore, you see, culture includes so many aspects, and that's why the questions which are coming from art and culture, that syllabus is not very much specified. So you have to change the questions. So how you will be changing the question? Like if our prime minister or president, if they are making some visits to a particular place, the question related to that particular place or monument, they can ask. Got the point? So therefore, it is very difficult to make notes or to revise the art and culture thing. And the best material for art and culture is these two books. Take down for art and culture. Only these two important books are more than sufficient for covering art and culture. An Introduction to Indian Art, Part 1 and Part 2. No more material needed. If you will be going for other materials, you will be surely entrapped. So, an Introduction to Indian Art, Volume 1 and Volume 2. There are so many guides in the market. I am not going to take the name. Very thick guides. What they have done, they have taken one stanza of this book, divided into several parts, bullet points, and they have compiled the guide. The guide had become famous. This book is not famous. Got the point? So the general perception is there that if the questions are coming, they are saying that these questions are coming from this guide. But the questions are generally coming from the books. But the credit is going to taken by the guides. So don't entrapped by. There is another very famous guide in modern India. Please come. 1000 pages, very thick guide. I am again not going to take the name. So don't entrapped by these guide things and this kind of material.